then the signal will be free just to do whatever you want. All right, not bad though, pretty good. How are you going to deal with a cyclist? When are you going to get around him? No signal, you're all right, just glide away. Because that silver one's nowhere near you, you're totally fine. Here as well, it's quite unusual, these zigzags mean no overtaking, but you are allowed to overtake a non-motorised vehicle. So a bicycle, not a problem as long as it's 100% safe.
Yeah.
All right, so cross a crossing, usually no overtaking. Bike, we're all right. Good.